Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei P40 Lite, and today I'll show you how to reset network settings. So to get started, you want to go into the settings itself, scroll all the way down into System and Update. Here you'll find Reset, and in there you should see Reset Network Settings. Tap on that, and it will give you a message that this will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. So what it means is any kind of networks you have connected to and put in a password for in the Wi-Fi category will be basically forgot, and along with the passwords as well. Bluetooth will basically disconnect all the Bluetooth devices that have been connected to it and also forget them. And mobile data means literally nothing. It will disconnect and immediately after connect, so you won't even see any change. So from here you can tap on Reset Network Settings, Reset Network Settings. Yep, and you're done. So that's all it takes. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.